Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to print alphabets by using char function. So before going to the coding part, let me give some brief introduction about the functionality of char function. Char denotes character. It consists of single functional argument. It returns the underlying character against the number mentioned in functional argument. Range bound of number should be 1 to 255, means lower bound equivalent to 1 and upper bound equivalent to 255. Here I am writing the function char 1. So application returns underlying character against the number 1. Now I am replacing the number with row function. Drag the handle. So here we can find application returned the characters up to the number of 255. Subsequent to that number, it returned error message. Here we can find the output. Now I am going to explain how to print alphabets by using VBA macros through char function. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Here I am creating new module. Print alphabets. This is the sub-procedure name. As part of the program, first I am declaring an object variable. Next I declared a variable which I am going to use as loop variable, dim I as integer. For I equivalent to 1 to 255. Here application returned special characters, numbers and alphabets. So we can find from 65 to 90 consists of uppercase of alphabets. Next, coming to lower case, we can find the number from 97 to 122. So instead of remembering this number, I am going to loop through entire range. Hence, I mentioned number as 1 to 255. Here I declared one more variable which is named as R, dim R as, and data type is integer. This variable is useful to mention the row number in the looping process. So sh dot cells of r comma 1 dot value equivalent to char I. I denotes loop variable. Already I mentioned r equivalent to 1. Here I am mentioning r equivalent to r plus 1. Means this piece of code is useful to increase the row number upon completion of each and every iteration. So this piece of code is useful to delete the existing data on the worksheet. Here I am running the program. You can find the output, application printed up to 255. At the end, I mentioned message box for confirmation. So instead of printing all the 255 characters, I would like to print only alphabets, that too which are in uppercase. As part of that, here I am using if condition. if underlying character of particular number represents to uppercase of alphabet, then only consider. Here I am executing the program. Here application printed capital letters of alphabets from 1 to 26. Now let us see how to print lowercase of alphabets in second column. Here I have added else if condition. If the character is like lowercase of alphabet, then only consider. That is the instruction that I have gave to the application. Here I am adding one more if condition. Here I mentioned if r equal to 27, then I am replacing 27 with 1. This piece of code is useful to print the lowercase from the first row of second column. Next, I am mentioning the column number as 2. So before executing the program, here I am replacing delete with clear contents. Now I am assigning this macro to this button. Right click on the button, click on assign macro, click on OK. Click on this button to execute the macro. So in this way we can print the alphabets by using char function in Excel as well as by using VBA macros. If you like this content, please like my video and subscribe to my channel to receive my latest updates in form of notification. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.